Hello everyone, I'm Sandeep Lahare and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review of Profit Hub in which I will show you everything from start to end, what the actual hosting provider it is, and how it will benefit you, what are its pros and cons. Okay, so basically Profit Hub is an online hosting provider, okay, which claims that you can host unlimited number of websites, okay, and at the same time you can upload your apps, you can do email marketing and set up your autoresponders at only one place. Okay, so let's do a review, and before doing a review I have something very cool for you. If you intend to buy this product, want to buy this product, you can just buy it from my bonus page, in which I am offering you guys 5 bonuses. The very first bonus would be the how to get unique content on your pages. Means if you set up any website, you need to need a content and content on consistent basis. Okay, so for that, I'm providing you get instant content for free. Okay, and second would be that bonus would be the how to write headlines that sells. Okay, so this is the something a very premium bonus, which actually a paid one. Okay, and this is also a paid one, but this cost much higher than that, and it will allow you to write headlines. It will show you the techniques that to write headlines, which are catchy, which grabs attention. Okay, so you'll get that from me. Okay, third would be the you can make money by sending emails. What I mean by that, it will show you all the steps, which are involved in email marketing, from, let's say, how to set up a email, how to set up any autoresponder, what are the emails that you need to send. Okay, so this something will help you with that. Third bonus. Fourth bonus would be Fiogo Breakout. It is like complete traffic solution, how it will just show you the secret techniques, for generating free traffic. Okay, so this is the fourth bonus, and all the vendor bonuses. What I mean by that, this is the vendor bonus because vendor is, especially I've talked with the vendor, and he is just providing me all these bonuses. So what are the bonuses that he is providing me? Okay, so Vidlock. Okay, so this alone software can generate thousands of visitor to your website. What I mean by that, you can log a video. So let's say you have a series of videos, and you want to log a second, third, fourth video. Okay, and second video will be unlocked only when someone performs call to action after watching that very first video. Okay, so this software can do that for you. Okay, so Vidlock, very premium software, you will get that. Okay, VidConnect will automatically, monetizes your video, curates the content for you, and help you ranking your YouTube videos. Okay, so this will be the second software that you will be getting. Third would be the backlinks. It will just show you the secret strategies, how to make a backlinks. Okay, the skyrocket rocket technique. Okay, so this will this one you will get from me. And fourth bonus would be, the fourth software would be Vidmatic. Okay, so in this, it will also allow you to curate the content and also help you to monetize the video and make money on Facebook. Okay, the fourth software, and bunch of other, the softwares like WordPress video attention, SEO skills mastery. This is the info product, which will help you learn SEO. Okay, traffic inclination, viral infographic traffic. So these all, you will get all of this if you purchase it and purchase it from clicking any of this button. These buttons are like everywhere, and where you will find this, you will find this as soon as you go, as soon as you click onto this, it will redirect you to that sales page and make a purchase, and you will be in the Warrior Plus, and here you will get all this. Okay, so here you will have your Profit Hub, and here you can access your bonuses. Okay, so this is, guys, about the bonus. Okay, so let's jump into the very review of Profit Hub. Okay, so the interface looks something like this. Okay, you can see this is a very simple interface. The very first section you will find about the emails. The very emails, like for example, you might have come across those emails like support at profithub.com, let's say suppose at godaddy.com, help at sandeep at something like that, and that ends with your domain name. Okay, so you can create this right from here, just click onto that, and it will like help you create with that. Okay, you can set up your autoresponder from here. You can just log into your webmail. Okay, so this is the very first section which you can do. Okay, the email marketing thing, or setting up an autoresponder and all sorts of thing. Second slot is the domain section. Okay, so in the domain section, what you can do is just, let me show you. Okay, so here you can add your domains, right? Whatever the domain that you have purchased from any of the provider, you can just add the domain. Just click onto the add. Here you will get that domain, and here very easily you can set up your SSL certificate. Okay, for other hosting providers, what it actually does is that, it will just like charge you for that, but here you can set up your SSL. What do I mean by setup? As you can see, the green, the lock, it will allow you to do that. And why you need to do SSL certificate? Because of the security reasons and because of the ranking factor. So you need to have that, SSL certificate, which here in the cPanel, like the standard cPanel, which you will get when you purchase from GoDaddy. Here this is very clumsy. Okay, and if you can see, here you won't like you don't know what to do with all this option. Okay, and if you click any of that, and if anything goes wrong, okay, so you will be ultimately end up crashing your site. Okay, so you don't need to have these things, so that like, and here all you have that is click onto this button and it will do all the work. Okay, so this is the power of Profit Hub, guys. Okay, and you can add your subdomains as well. You can add DNS records. For example, you are doing email marketing, you need to change DNS. Okay, or you want to shift your server to another one, point the server, so you can do that with the pointer. You can like point your domain to other domains. So here you can do it very easily. The FTP counts are there. Like for example, you have written a code HTML page you have made, you want to host that page online, you can do it from here. The database and all sorts of things are there. You can, from here you can manage your users as well. What do you mean by that? If you want to hand over this to person, a technical person, you can assign him the role, and he can do the job for you. Okay, the database thing. Okay, STXS Softoculous is something, guys, which lets you which lets you to install WordPress. Here you can install WordPress. So how can you do that? You just do one click. Okay, and with one click, you can install your WordPress. Okay, there are bunch of other like content management systems is there: Abentekart, Joomla, SMF, WHMCS. Okay, so it is very easy, guys, from here, like, and with the cPanel, like all the way you need to go to this place. You will find this. Okay, Softoculous app installer. Okay, so here you will get in the very front end. Okay, and about the administration section, guys, it will allow you to just add the peoples. Let's say you want to outsource this, you want to someone to do the work for you, like for example technical SEO. You can add the people, add the persons, and assign him the role. Let's say you want to assign him for the database. Let's say you want to assign him for only FTP. Let's say you want to assign him for the domain system. Okay, so you can do it everything from here. Okay, you can watch the recent visitor. You like how many people are like visiting to your site. You can do that. You can also have that authentication which you find on like Google authentication and all sorts of things. You can do that as well from here. Okay, you can set up that. And in this section, guys, you can just, this is very important section, guys, I'm telling you, because if you want to do email marketing, for that, you don't want your emails to land up on, say, on the spam section or in the promotion section. So this will allow you to do that. Okay, all you need to do is just take the DKIM keys, okay, SPF keys, set up with that. You can just reach out to them how to do that, and they will help you set up all of that, and you can just do the email marketing, guys. Okay, and all your emails will land on the primary section if you follow the guidelines. Okay, so this will allow you to do that. Okay, you can just back up your entire site, guys. Means what I mean by that, like so you can take a backup, full backup of the entire site. Okay, and where you want to save that, local file, FTP, or so generally you need to on your computer system, just uh, select that and just continue. I'm not going to do that, but if you want, like, just do that. Okay, you can set up a schedule backup. Okay, so whenever you let's say you want to have a backup of all datas and everything after a week, you can do it from here. Okay, in the statistics section there is nothing more to that, much to that. Okay, so in file manager, you can see all the files and everything which is uploaded to the server, or the on the site. You can access it from here, and from here, you can watch the subscription. So this is pretty much about the review, guys, about the software. Okay, so very clean, very unique concept, about this, and it is very user friendly, as far as beginner is concerned. Okay, so let's look at the primary section. Okay, so you will find pricing section. Okay, so it just charges you, the very front end price would be the $17. Okay, so, and if you click onto any of my link, just go after this link, you will get a $15 discount. Okay, means $15 discount means $2 discount. You will get this for only $15. If you upgrade to Pro Edition, it will charge you $27. And if you like upgrade to enterprise section, you will get it for $37. Done for you edition would be for $29. Reseller edition would be for $67. So you can just upgrade your, this hosting provider as per your requirement. Let's say you want to make unlimited number of websites, you can just upgrade it to Pro Edition. You want to make all sorts of it will come with all, like all sorts of, website builders and everything. Okay, so you can upgrade with that. So guys, you can upgrade this as per your need. You don't have the baggage that you don't want that, and still you are getting charged for that. So you don't have that problem here. Okay, so these are pretty much about this, guys. You can host your app as well. Okay, so like in other hosting provider, there's very different thing, but here you can do that. Okay, so guys, this is pretty much about the pricing section, guys. And yeah, about the review, you can just read everything about that. If you click on any of this link, it will redirect you to the very sales page, guys. And you can just buy it from here. You can just buy it from here. You will get a $15 means pricing. Okay, and just make a purchase, guys. This, just try it. This is only for one time fee. Okay, let's see. Here you will get a discount. Just as soon as you click on to purchase that, you will get a $2 discount. Okay, so guys, this is an ultimate offer. And if you do the purchase with my link, you will get all these bonuses, which will help you in your journey. Suppose, let's say you want to do affiliate marketing, and or like blogging and e-commerce thing, this premium softwares will help you, like this, all this softwares. Okay, this softwares, it will help you, guys. So yeah, I highly recommend it to just check out these bonuses, and make a purchase, okay, which is like in the description below. And yeah guys, talk to you soon. Okay, and yeah guys, so this is pretty much about the review. I hope you like this review, and I'll be posting more videos, doing all these reviews. Do share this video with your friends and family, the one who actually need this, who are getting charged by the hosting providers, who are charging them a lot. Just make them aware of this system, this software. Okay, so yeah guys, just subscribe this video, like this video, comment it. Okay guys, meet you in the next video. Thank you.